What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of OmniFactory. Yeah, buddy. Last episode we left off schmelting these things. They got done. So let's grab them, and I think I need to turn them into machine hulls, right? Hulls. Because we need... Let me just make sure this is correct. Input hatch. A fluid input hatch. It's, yeah, hull, not the casing, so it needs to do this too. So we're gonna grab input, output, fluid output, energy, energy, and that's it. And now it needs tin wire or cable. Do we have any anywhere? Gonna need 6 more. Okay, let's make some tin cables. Yeah. I'm gonna do 16's worth. And where's our wire mill? The very first machine we built there. Throw that in there. And that's gonna do its thing, and we're gonna come over here. And we need to combine it with rubber. Okay, then we come over here and then do this. And we have 6 LV machine hulls. So now we need to start turning them into their appropriate buses. So we're gonna need glass, I know that much. One of them's like that, fluid input. The other one is like this, fluid output. And what are the buses? Chests, okay, that's easy. Actually, I don't want that many chests. Let's do that. Input bus. Output bus. And the energy hatches are tin cables on the left, and that's input, outputs on the right. Okay, so we need 2 more tin cables. Did we have any left in here? 1. Okay. There we go. We're gonna make 2 energy input hatches. Oh, and I needed 1 more machine hull for... Oh, we're short on raw iron. What did we have? 6? So I need 3 more? For the CEU to power the thing. Or the CEF, I mean, not you. So now that's done. Let's grab that, head over here. And we'll put that there, make that, make this. What are we missing? Oh, I thought it was 1, it's actually 3. Not bad. The future recipes are 1. And then like 2 polyethylene or something foolish. Okay. Throw that in there and make our machine hull. So now the CEF is literally machine hull, 4 of these energy conduits, a primitive circuit, a chest, and 4x conductive wire. Let's get the chest. And I should make like a additional chest real quick. Just to put everything we're gonna make the blast furnace out of in that, so we don't have like a gajillion things in our inventory. So this. Alright. Pulsating wire can go in here. I actually have a lot of tin wire in here. Good to know. The glass can go back. So we need... Oh, I need that machine hull. We need... 4 of these. Conductive iron is... literally just... Oh wait, wrong thing. Wrong thing! Oh my god. Hey, we might need that at some point. That or I can like reprocess it back. I know there's a way, like a fluid extractor. Alloy smelter. Okay. Let that do its thing. Let's sleep the night away too. Okay, and 1 more to go. Now we need to wire mill these. And I should get 8 cables, which is just enough for 2 4Xs. And we'll do this. And then this. And that's taken care of. We have the chest. What else are we missing? Oh, the circuit. Okay. So, can't do it. Looks like we need more... Oh no, we're good on red alloy. We need more of these things. Okay. And I should make some batteries for it. Lithium would be nice. So 2 tin plates and a red alloy cable. Easy. Okay. And now we need 2 lithium. Do we have lithium? Yeah. But I need, wow, that's right, I need 4 of them. Let's do that, and snag 3 more of those. My fault, my fault. I don't know why I was making 1. Okay, and I don't think we have enough lithium. That's a surpriser. We'll have to make a cobbleworks in the near future when we have power. I need to get these Steam Dynamos. Well, we have 1. I'm gonna need 2 more. 2 with the steam augment and then 1 with the boiler. Or the turbine augment, I mean. Maybe I'll do sodium batteries. Do we have sodium? I don't think so. Didn't mine any salt. Let's go ahead and get some Omni coins. They're over there, right? Let's see here. Lithium. Just 2 nickels, so 10 coins. Or 10 pennies. And then you do this thing. And then that makes lithium. And I'm gonna hammer these because we're gonna be using a lot of it. You little sucker. Jeez. Missed a gajillion times. Alright, hammer. Just like good old crash landing. Hammering things to get more things out of the things. My magnet must have ran out of power. That, or it's maybe disabled? Yeah, it was disabled. There we go. So now I need to crush those again to get the impure stuff, and then we can... What is it? Centrifuge? Yeah, centrifuge. Let's throw that in here and let it do its thing. And we've got 2 more lithium. Awesome. Yeah. So I am gonna do this. I turned some animations off. I thought maybe textures animated would be the machines. Maybe those are terrain. Let's see here. Yeah, it's terrain. I kind of feel like I got a lot more lag when the terrain's animated though, so I'm gonna leave that off. It feels so much smoother this way. Okay. So batteries, check. So where do we want to put this blast furnace? Should I put it downstairs or upstairs? I kind of feel like upstairs would be a good idea for this. So let me... Oh, I have the hammer, okay. Let me get rid of this bone and those arrows. And let's punch out all this quartz. Okay. Cool. And I want to punch this up 1. Okay. And we're done. Okay, awesome. I'll put that stuff where it belongs. In the junk chest. Did we make a... Yeah, we did. Terracotta can go in there. Block of quartz, cool. Iron bars can go in the resource chest. Let me grab all the blast furnace stuff. Okay. So, what would be a good spot to put them? They share sides with other blast furnaces, so maybe I'll have a row of like... Maybe I should have it on left and right. So a row of like Coppernickel ones. And then over here we can have like specific ones for like Canthal. The next one is Nichrome, and then the one after that is Tungsten Steel, I believe. And so on and so forth. Let's go up here and we'll do left. So my first controller is gonna go there. If they share sides, I'm gonna have to pull cables out of the top and bottom. Yeah, I don't think I want them to share sides actually. This environment here isn't ideal for that setup. I'd have to break into the floor, but the floor is only 1 deep, I think. Oh wait, no, it is. It's good. Maybe we could go down one? Or does that feel weird? I mean, it doesn't feel too weird. Let's see here. Let's see if we can make these furnaces share sides. 'Cause that would be awesome. Okay, follow me, please. I think it's still up there. No, did it fall down here? Sure did. Hi, sugarcane. Alright, we're gonna do that. And now let's try this out. So if we pull it from the top and the bottom, we're gonna want to put 1, 2, 3. The controller on top of that, and then we'll punch this out. And we can pull from the top and the bottom. Awesome. I need more heat-proof casing. Let's put that chest back. Hi, creeper. I'm gonna need that. Okay, so heat-proof casing is Invar plates and Invar frames. We need more Invar then. Do we have 8 nickel? We sure do. Awesome. Let me alloy smelter those bad boys up. While we wait for that, we'll sleep the night away and kill this creeper. Okay. Whoa. Hi, buddy. I'm gonna turn explosion animations on, because they happen pretty rarely. Now, how's this Invar doing? We're gonna have to turn that into plates, and then with that, we can make some more heat-proof casings and hopefully get this blast furnace up and running. The thing is my power generation is nowhere near ideal for 2 energy input hatches. So we're gonna work on the turbine augments and the boiler augments and getting 2 more dynamos. as soon as we set this up. Let's see how far we can get with that. Maybe I'll wait for 2 more. So we can craft it, what, 4 times or 2 times? Okay. Bam. Wow, you only get... What? Oh, there we go. It only did the recipe once. Because I didn't shift click maybe? I could have sworn I did, but whatever. We still need a few more. Let's do the recipe again. And I think 11 is enough. And maybe that's all we got. Oh no, we can do one more craft. Blast furnace fun. Awesome. So, yeah. Let's grab those parts again. And put them together. So, things are going to share sides. So we're going to put input. Maybe I should pull this one further so that we can access to back if needed as well. I feel like that would be a good idea. So... Actually, I'm just gonna put that on the floor and we'll access the back and the top for the machine. So the back would be there. Bam, bam, bam. Bam. And then we'll do casings. Like that. Copper nickel coils. Oh, that's right, the back is, oh my god. I forgot. It's the coil blocks. You can't put hatches there. Whoops. Ah! Having some serious derps at the moment, but that's okay. Let's grab 2 glass. Fix that, and then we'll reset up. Okay, so... Back's gonna be, that, so bam, bam. Bam. That's gonna go on you. We're gonna have to do bottoms and tops. Yeah, buddy. So you. Actually, you only get so many places you can put things, right? Yeah. The question is, does the blast furnace require the fluid output hatch? Because I don't remember them ever outputting fluids. I don't know. I'm gonna put this here for the moment. But yeah, we need... to put our hatch here. Maybe I should put the input hatch at the bottom. And I would like it to... Do I not have a wrench? Right here. Face down, please, and... let's go ahead and set up these coils. Oh. I don't know if I want them to share sides, because this is getting very tedious. Let's just set up the one blast furnace. We'll be right back. And we're back, so let's go ahead and place it there. We're gonna break this. We're gonna grab these and... Oh, that's right, I'm gonna put input hatch there. And we need to access the back for the energy hatches. So many derps, so many derps, so many derps. So, there. Input hatch, that's output. You're gonna go there. Input's gonna go there. Fluid input. Fluid output. Energy input hatches are gonna go there and there. And then the rest can just be filled up. Okay, we're good. Yeah, I'm not gonna have them share sides. It's just too much for the moment. I mean, in the future, when we have like creative flight and stuff, we'll definitely reset things up for sure. Alright. So now I kind of want this to... Invalid structure. Why? Output, input, fluid input, fluid output, energy input, energy input. Am I missing something? Probably the center in here? No? Oh, the center on the top. Derp. There we go. So she's set up. Now let's put a CEF. Since the energy inputs are that way, I'm gonna put the CEF here. And we need 2 conductive 4x cables. Do we have any of those? Copper cables. Not ideal. We need more iron. We need more iron. Seems to be the story of the life. Iron ore. Not banded iron. Regular iron, please. Where are you? Right there. And I'm gonna do that. And I could pulverize it all, but I'm just gonna straight up smelt it. We had some iron in there, awesome. Just what I want to see. Oh, that's right. And that's gonna need more wood for sure. There we go. Sleep that night away, sleep that night away. And let me put the batteries in the CEF. Okay, conductive iron cables. Let's make them. So I need 2 4X's, right? So yeah, I'm gonna need to make 4 conductive iron ingots. Let me do that. I should probably make a bunch more too. Let's do like that much. And we'll just use the 4 that we need right now and have more on the way. That's gonna go in the resource chest. Come on, buddy, you can do it. Thank you. Put that away, and let's wire mill this conductive iron. Let that cook it up, slice it up, whatever it does. Okay. And we're gonna do that, and that makes that. And now we can do that. And then that. And we have our 4x. So you're gonna go there and there. So now I just need to run a cable to it from our power. If I were to guess, you're right up here. You're right there, okay. So a cable needs to run to that. We're gonna need more conductive iron cables, that's for sure. And these can be made in an assembler, and you get 4 of them for the same price as you get 3 for crafting, but let's just do the crafting right now because we don't have an assembler. I have more conductive iron on the way, isn't that awesome? Look at that, it's coming in handy. And we have that good stuff. I need that conduit binder. And then we can do that. Put the binder back. And let's see what that gets us. Hopefully that's enough. Okay. You're gonna go up. And then over here. I can do that so that this gets 2 sides to it, so the batteries always stay full no matter what. And then this will go like that. And yeah, the blast furnace is connected. It should be getting power. Lovely. Lovely amount of power. I mean, not really. Because we need better power gen. I mean, the sugarcane's keeping up, and this is building up, and this should be building up big time down here. Yeah, it's already capped off. Let's make 2 more of these Steam Dynamos. So this one has an upgrade in it, right? Did we put augments, 2 fuel catalyzers? I'm just gonna put 2 additional fuel efficiencies in it, I guess, until we upgrade the others. Or that can go like that. That's what I meant. Yeah, so what do we need for these dynamos? We need this thing. We're gonna need 2 of those. 2 of those, 2 of those. Let's knock out the things we need 2 of first. So do we have red alloy? No. Let's get those red alloys cooking. And then we'll turn them into plates. Because those coil things, or excitation coils, require red alloy plates. And they're gonna take 4 of these, so 12 rods. Do we have a lathe? I think we do, right? No? Never made a lathe? Oh, right here. Okay, awesome. So every 3 is 2, so there we go. Let that run. Turn you into plates. You can go away. We'll fix the sugarcane farm doing that weird thing soon enough. How are you doing? I noticed gold takes a really long time in the basic lathe, or in lathes in general, compared to other metals, which is kind of weird because gold is a softer metal, but it is what it is. You're almost done. Did I ever set you to not pull? I didn't. That's why I'm getting them. Blacklist sugarcane, please, and thank you. So we just need these to get done. That's gonna take a moment. So what about the other things? Iron furnaces. Let's do that. Gonna need 16 iron. And bam, that's done. Are you done yet? Almost there. That can get marked off. Copper plates, we're gonna need 4 copper plates, which is easy. Gonna need some redstone. And do this. And then craft these, and bam. That's that taken care of. We're gonna need 2 of the silver coils, so that's gonna be 3 silver ingots. Right here. Let that process. Got the copper, and we're gonna need raw iron gears. So those are 8 per, right? So I need 32 iron ingots smelted in the raw iron first. And foremost, let that do its thing. Okay. It's crazy how fast these furnaces are. They chew through fuel really fast, but I mean, I could hook up the sugarcane farm to them. It'd be kind of weird. I mean, I could run the cable underneath, but I'd need a lot of item conduits for that. If I ran the cable through the wall. Or through the, along the wall even. I could get to them. Let's make those coils. And that's that done. So all we have left to do is the raw iron gears. So yeah, let me put those in the gear thing. And let them process. I wonder if we can make an extruder yet. Is that something we can do? I think they're advanced. Yeah, they're MV. We'll get there soon enough. As soon as we get this blast furnace up and going. I mean, it is up and going, technically. I mean, we could use it now. It's just not getting very much power. Even if we had, like, these batteries, like, fully filled, we would only be able to process, like, a couple aluminum at a time, or aluminium. We're gonna need power for that for sure. At least 512 RF per tick. And that's where these dynamos will come in handy. So there's another 2 to go. Let's get the first one up and running. Bam. You're gonna go there. 1 to go, and then we can start working on the augments. Ooh, buddy. And the final one. Yeah. How are we for wood? 297, kind of decent, but like, I could chop it. I need to make another axe. This should be almost done. 70, 80, 90, and the shabam. Let's make this bad boy. Mark you off the list. Put you there. So now we're gonna need the augments. We're gonna need 2 turbines and 1 boiler. And 2 more of those. So these are just excitation things again, so... Let's go ahead and do that. Whoops. Did I just make it copper gear? No! I didn't mean it. I'm sure they have a use. Let's find out. Are you there? No, we'll grab some more copper. We might actually need one. They are used for thermal expansion stuff. Okay. We won't need that for a while, but we will need it eventually. When we get to that tech tree. Didn't I have 2 more? Did I... Wait, what? Wait, what? And... Oh, it was... Wow. What is going on? Get out of here. Get out of here, bruh. And that's getting done. So we're gonna need those gold things. And this is gonna be turned into plates. And then we need iron plates and iron. Okay, how are you doing? 2. Almost done with your second craft. Welcome to OmniFactory, everybody. It does get a lot faster later on as we get into MV and then HV and then EV and then IV and then LUV, and you know how it goes. 1 more of that. Let's throw you in there. Cool, cool. Grab you. Turn you into you. Just missing redstone. And you. Oh, I need to do that 1 more time. And we have our excitation thing. Let's grab these plates. So yeah, as soon as these get done, we'll be done on excitation fill limiters. And we'll start working on the boiler conversion and the 2 turbines. These things, they require copper plates, which isn't bad, iron gears. We only need 1 of them, and this needs iron gears too, so we're gonna need 3 iron gears. Let's get that up and running. There we go, 24. Throw you in there and let you process. How you doing? Almost done? Yeah, let's get these out. Come on, buddy, come on. Okay. And then we'll do this, and then do that, and then do that, and then do this. And then that, and then that. And we're gonna craft these. Bam, bam. Yay! So now once we get those other augments, our power will jump up pretty nicely. I think we'll go from, what were we at? 60 RF per tick. We're gonna go to like, I don't know, like 600 I hope. Like 300 each. That's what I'm hoping. And 600 RF per tick would be enough for the blast furnace, which is awesome. So yeah, that's done. We just need these gears. Let's start working on the copper plates. Gonna need 6 copper plates. Bam. Gonna need a bucket. Does that use buckets? No. But it does use gold coils, so 3 more of them bad boys. Bam. You should be done any second here. Bam. Let's get this iron in there. Oh, buddy. Grab the gears. And when we have that, we can craft our bucket, which is just the same thing as vanilla, but with plates and a hammer. I mean, like the same shape. There we go, we got our bucket. So we have everything for this except for fuse quartz. Fuse quartz, we didn't go to the nether yet. Do we have an electrolyzer? We do. So what we need to do is get 9 of this up and running. How much did it use? 4? There we go. You get quartz from electrolyzing glass, isn't that cool? And then we can take that and run that through the alloy smelter, and that will give us our fuse quartz. Cool. And you're done. Wonderful. Turn you into this. And then we can craft 1 of you. And 2 of you need 2 iron. Ta-da! And we'll put you in there. Oh, I needed a... Oh wait, no, I got the right amount. Okay. You and you. 160, and this is 240 because of the upgrade. But it has fuel catalyzers, so hopefully it doesn't run out of steam. Or I mean, like, bottleneck the steam. We'll see. This is gonna need the sugarcane. That's gonna send the power in, so we'll put that there. These 2 will send power into the machines and stuff. You need the sugarcane. So do we have item conduits? of any kind? No? Didn't I make pulsating stuff? Can I make item conduits, please? Okay. Let's see if that gets us there. You need to go over... Let me just do it from up there, it'll be easier. Pop, pop. 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 And... maybe I'll get rid of you. I should have looked at the configuration. What is it pulling out? No, I don't know what it's pulling out. Can we look from over here? That's green in. Green out. That's probably just a lower priority, right? Sleep the night away. Okay, so we're gonna go something like that. Whoops. And then you, and then we need to grab you, and then do this. On the up, we're gonna do insert, higher priority. You should start getting fuel. It's gonna need water as well, which we can supply, that's no big deal. And need to twist this, facing outwards. And bust that, that, and... I'm gonna just move you. There. And then we're gonna take you and put you there. And then stick you there. And then you're gonna be insert. Okay. So we need fluid conduits. Did I make any fluid conduits? Fluid. Let's do the pressurized one. This is just glass, that's easy. Basic fluid, under pressure. That was a quest, awesome. And we're gonna go here and do that, that, and that. And then for this, we're gonna set the fluids to extract, always active. And then these are gonna be insert. I don't have to put always active on the inserts, but I do anyways, just in case I ever want to use the extract for any reason. Not that I'll need to. I just get myself in the habit of doing that. And there we go. So that'll put the steam into the other things. All this needs now is water, and we know where that is. Okay. Put you away. And we're gonna take our water and stick you right there, and you should be getting it. So you should begin boil, or yeah, 160. It's cooking. It has the water it needs. Is it keeping up though? Looks like it. We don't need to upgrade it. Awesome. And now we're getting 160 RF per tick and 240. Awesome. So we have 400 RF per tick, if I understand that correctly. Not quite enough for the blast furnace, because this can use, as you can see, 128 EU per tick, which is 128 times 4 is 512 RF per tick. So we'll have to cook things in, like sorry, my throat. We'll have to cook things in clusters. So like 5 at a time or 10 at a time, we'll see. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the episode. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.